Alright, y'all. So we decided that we're gonna eat something. So I'm just gonna cook something. It's just gonna be whatever I cook, whatever I can find to be Pacific. So guys, whatever I can find is what we're gonna cook because I don't have time to be looking back and forth. Do we have no, we're just gonna cook whatever I can find in the freaking house. So, hold up now. Come on now. You can just hold up now. Jesus. So, I found these chicken flavored fettuccine noodles. So, I don't really know if I should eat that. You guys, I actually have been trying to be on a diet, but it's actually been a bad idea because it's making me eat more. So, yeah, it's whatever at this point. So, bitch, won't. You guys, so I have this like thing. I don't know what's wrong with me, but well, that was good. But yeah, y'all, I've been hungry lately. Like on my top, not hungry. Like, not no. I'm a little no, y'all. I've been at the point where, like, I don't know what to do. Like, I've been hungry. So we're gonna make some seasoned fries, and we're gonna have some. I guess there's noodles with it, cause at this point I don't know what a cup is, a tablespoon. Y'all, I don't. Let's just put this on. I don't know how to cook. Let's just say that. So yeah, that's what I'm talking about. So we're gonna hold up, y'all. I need to switch. Oh shoot, that's that one. I need to put on this one. Nope. I want this one, yeah. There we go. So I'm about to cook some noodles right now. What is it? A half a cup. So we need this. So let's see how many things we need of this. That's a half a tablespoon. Tablespoon. That's a cup. Okay, we're going with one of these and 4 of these. See, I know my math, at least. Keyword, at least, because otherwise I would. So we're just going to use the rest of these bottles of water that was open because I'm not going to waste no water now. Come on. So 4 of these big babies. Y'all, I try not to waste water because at points in time, like, there's no need of. Just gonna put the rest of this. That's like, I don't need this tablespoon. Alright, so it says that to use that. Okay. And then I guess I'm gonna let it heat for a little bit and let it like kind of boil. While we're doing that, we're gonna turn on this mother sucker in the oven to bake, and then we're gonna turn it to, we'll put it on 350, yeah. Actually, y'all, it makes sense if I made, breadsticks. So I'm not gonna make breadsticks. Whatever breadsticks we are. Breadsticks? Comment down below if these are breadsticks, because at this point I'm just hungry. Like, I don't care what type of breadstick, crow stick, roti stick. I'm hungry. So yeah. I hate, but you guys can't see me, so over here. This light needs to be on. So would you guys, I don't really know how to. Boom. That who could like turn? Oh freak! It was on low, so of course it's not gonna do that fast. So we're gonna make this pasta because I don't want to use that pasta. Actually, this is really a waste of time for me. So I'm not gonna do this. And it's literally more dishes for me to wash if I do that. So really, I'm gonna just save time, and I'm just gonna heat up this pasta. Oh freak, this is dinner pasta. Suction my word. Y'all don't listen to me when it comes to food, y'all, cause I'm just all that work for no reason. Freak! Oh my god, you guys, like. You guys did all that work for no reason. I really needed that because the pasta right here is for dinner. So, I'm about to tear this bag open. Yeah, I'm gonna take it. Hopefully we have some cheese. Guys, there we go! Hey, we're going on a trip. My favorite rocket ship going through the set. Hey, don't understand. Hey. Yep, this is cheese in this period. This is cheese in this period. So, you guys, I thought we had no cheese. Like, y'all just don't know. I was about to kill my freaking dog. So, we're about to turn this thing on. And I hope this thing maybe not. I don't really think we'll need that. So. I don't think we'll need the cheese, so I'm just gonna do that. Being on rough for a little bit. I'm going to cook this bread. I know that. So. That would be. You guys, comment in below because I feel like I'm doing a great job. So we're gonna have is some noodles and bread. So, yeah. not one of those cooking experts, baby. Like, it is what it is, and that's what's going to be not right to you, and why don't you do it next time? Like, that's what it is when it comes to me. If you don't like it, baby, I don't know what to fucking tell you, because you should have cooked. Because everyone knows that I'm a bad cook. So, yeah. So, at this point, it's all y'all fault. Because I told you that I know how to cook. That's what I mean. Because I really can't cook. So, hopefully, this go as planned. If it doesn't, and everything wants to burn down and shit, then fuck, it's whatever. After I try, there's no more retrying. Y'all, this Coke has done me good. Woo. This Coke has done me good. So good. So y'all, I'm gonna go tell my sister what we having. Let's go, y'all. Let's go see how she feels, because she said it doesn't matter. Now that we eating pasta and bread, okay? Not the pasta, not the Alfredo pasta, because that's for tonight. But we're having like a chicken pasta or something. Okay. So if you don't like it, like it. So guys, I was going to pick out some of the meat from that stuff, but I don't know what type of meat I want to have in here. But I know, y'all, today is my cooking day, so if you want to come in here and mess with me, baby, I don't know what to tell you, because you ain't going to come around and mess with me. You'll feel me. So, I don't usually have all these sauces in here. I just have lemon pepper and call it a day. That's what we do over here. I just put a little bit of lemon pepper as it cooks so I can have that, you know, that big old, you know, like, flow that I'm trying to make. So, yeah. So, this is the same one. It's a chicken flavored fettuccine and savory chicken flavored sauce in it. So, I guess what it told me to put that water in. Well, it doesn't make sense to not put water in there. But I'm cooking it on the stove top, but if you want to cook it in the microwave, then you just put 2 cups of water, the same amount of water, 1 tablespoon, stuff like that. And then you just put in there about 8 minutes at a time, and you keep stirring as you go if it needs more cook. But see right here, I have to keep stirring because of my pot. Top to this, but I know where it is. So I'm not familiar if I should put cheese sauce in this. Oh, it turns out creamy, but I think I put too much water. Sorry? So let me see what my sister's talking about. What he said? He said he's not gonna be able to pick us up tomorrow. He'll pick us up Friday. Alright. That's amazing. What's today, Naughty? Wednesday, right? Yeah, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Oh! Yes, we get a couple more days. So the noodles are boiling. The little sauce I go. Ooh, that bread, y'all, this bread cutter smells good. Like, I should have put the bread in a couple minutes after, cause it made more sense, but whoa, but too late now. I like my bread to be very good and toasted, so it will not come out until it's like super toasted. So I wonder if you guys like yours like that, but that's how mine is gonna be. So these noodles are actually kind of clear, but they're not really. I wish you guys could smell this. You guys, I'm so happy that you guys get to see me cook. See, this is going to be a short vlog, y'all. See, this is what I love. I love when y'all like videos that's short, but like more entertaining for y'all. But I don't want my videos to be like, 80 minutes long. Like, man, come on. But I know this video is going to be kind of long. Oh, I'm so sorry, you guys. I just started off the video like I just knew what I was doing, y'all. Like I just been started the video. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. So before we get to the video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, be a part of the game. Even though we already did the video, but yeah. I need to put this shirt in this one. Maybe that is good. So guys, you guys probably don't know about this candy, but go to an Asian market or a Publix or Walmart, and they sell Hot Chew. Hot Chew is the best candy on earth besides my strawberry chocolate kids. These are also the best candy in the world. We're gonna try the other. So, I got good tasting candy. I guess you have to keep stirring on this because there's some stuff that forms on the top. It says for 7 minutes, but I don't know. But I really think I put too much water, y'all. Oh, I'm putting a little bit of cheese in this, y'all. That's gonna be good. But I don't want to mess up my pants. So I'm gonna make the plates, you guys. This needs to cook a little bit more and then we're done. What make you do, baby, love me and you. So y'all go ahead and check out my Instagram. It'll be down in the description because you guys already know I'm heading my way to 300 subscribers, and that means period. So you guys, everybody be liking my video back to back to back to back to back on Instagram. So I already know your girl coming through. Period. But yeah. So we're actually going, you guys know that we visit our mom in Florida, but I'm actually going back home Friday because of a certain reason. I will explain that in another video. Probably I won't explain it. I really think I'm going to explain it because it's really none of y'all's business. I'm not trying to be rude, but it really isn't. Hold up, y'all. But you love me and you. Because I was going to edit this video, but I was like, y'all need to know my real struggles, like what I really do. Y'all don't really need to be seeing no fake video. Because really, when people edit, they really be doing other stuff more than that. Like, they don't be, you feel me? They don't be doing what they say they be doing at the end of the day. I'm doing what I'm doing. Hold up now. I'm put some more cheese, a little bit of cheese in here. A little bit. This is literally ice cold. But I'm about to put it in here because I need some creamy, cheesy flavor. I hope I don't mess up this stuff. I should have been put the cheese in there, but oh well. It's crazy. You guys know how to cook, so it's whatever. Hopefully it makes it a little bit thicker. That, you know, it has that creaminess to it from the cheese. Hopefully, like I said. Not that it is, but I'm hopeful. Okay, so I want to ask a question to you guys. Do you guys know the moms that think they know everything about their son, even though their son has a whole wife or a girlfriend, whichever one you call it? But the man's mom think they know everything about the son that's dating the girl, and the girl and the son's mom has beef. It's crazy. I would hate to have a relationship like that towards someone. It's just not me. Good, y'all. This thing was about to burn up. These little breads, y'all. Yeah. That was about to burn up. This house will be toasted. Cut this thing off. Freak. Cause you feel like you do, you know your girl can't cook, but she is doing her best. Ooh, woo! Every time to start turning this thing off. Oh yeah. Bitch did what she had to do. Cause you know you have to do, you know your girl, you her thing. Oh, woo! Y'all, go ahead and start washing these couple of dishes while this stuff cool down. Clean as you go. Don't have to let the dishes sit. So it's better off doing it that way. Wash the 2 dishes. Wash this pot. When it's finished, and I'm going to wash the spoon. Nadia, you ready to eat? Yes, you are. The food finna be done in a minute. Yep. Get your ass in here. Well, delicious. Yes, yes. This is my first time cooking, like, food, not no noodles. I'm talking about some food. I feel like I gave her a little bit too much, but oh well. I forgot, you guys. I forgot to wait for my mom. Oh well, I think that's nice. So bad. That was not enough for this. It's just enough for two people. For lunch. Nadia, the food's ready. What you want to drink? Coke? What you want? Gatorade. Okay. So I'm about to set these in here. Right quick. So you guys, I'm gonna cut off this light. You feel me? You guys don't know how proud I'm about. Nadia, come on. Your food at the table. Hold up, y'all. My phone might fall, y'all. There we go. The food at the table. Bam. Unless you want this one. It don't even matter. Eat this damn food. I'm gonna talk about it. So, my vlog helped me cook. My vlog helped me cook. So, like I said, y'all, we got some little garlic bread. I'm gonna put some. Oh, don't taste it yet. Don't taste it yet. Don't taste it yet. Did I just say you don't taste it yet? I gotta put some pepper on it. What's on? Is it enough? What's more? Yes. Told y'all, put lemon pepper on it. Call it a day. They're right quick. Yeah, damn. The cheese might not be melted, y'all. But oh well, because I couldn't let the noodles cook no more. Should have put that cheese in first. Tell me how you like it. Never mind. They less cooked.
Yeah.
The bread is my favorite.
They should have cooked way longer.
Huh?
They should have cooked way longer.
I'm sorry. It said 7 minutes.
Hell no.
That's actually
I
cooked.
want some action.
Like it?
I want some Minute Maid. I want that.
You don't like my food? Y'all make this for nothing. Well, go put that stuff back in the pot. Mama go eat it. Get out my face. My goddamn face.
What I do?
At least you could have said was you did all right. But don't say it now.
Why would I lie?
Hell, why would you tell the fucking truth? That this
Some of
is
y'all
good.
niggas are actually cook. But some of them not.
Yeah, because I was stirring them, but they were getting stuck to the pan.
Should put some butter.
Well, you don't like it, so it don't matter.
It's good.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. But you better eat it. So this took me forever.
It's so good.
Like forever. I bet you won't tell Mama that you don't like it. That she cooked it.
I do want to eat it.
Cause I was gonna cook some noodles in that cup.
I will
Do some fries. So you better like it. Well, you wouldn't know where it came from. Because I would have put my own seasoning on it. But I feel like this garlic bread is not really garlic. See, the garlic bread is really not my fault. Or this. Because that sauce and stuff, it all came with it. Like, I just had to cook it. That's all I had to do. So, that wasn't really my fault. But the bread is okay. Yeah. But I'm thirsty though.
For dessert, we got ice cream. So you better.
Are you gonna eat ice cream now later on?
Later on, like later.
I don't think Mama wanted us to leave. You don't tell your friends you coming back and all that. I don't really want to leave. Okay. I had forgot that she bought the tickets. Freak. Do you still want to leave? Huh?
Yeah.
About to make me a little sandwich thing. You wish I could. This is good. Like, you tripping. What?
You want one?
Go away.
I said thanks for the food.
Why? Because you want to eat one bite and then throw it away? Oh, what you ate? 1.5?
Nah, at least I ate some.
Did you throw it on the floor?
No, we got a dog.
I'm the noodle queen. Let's do a thumbnail, y'all. Even though I can't use my thumbnails, but
Wow.
because I can't. But yeah, let's do a thumbnail.
Why can't you? Let me get at it.
No. Hold up. My lightning is horrible. Why would you put lemon pepper on these straight? Put the water right here. like the dark light better. Hold up, y'all. I'm sorry. We'll do it one more time. Oh, yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, be a part of the gang. So you guys already know. My Instagram will be down in the description box down below. So yeah, you guys should go check it out because my Instagram is fire and it's necessary. So yeah. It's good. It's fire.